Yeah, so this is the sixth episode of Ananta Press Sahitya Ratna Award, where we are covering the winners of Ananta Press Sahitya Ratna Award, and we have a very special guest at the young age. She written a book. After that, she applied for Ananta Press Sahitya Ratna Award, and our all jury members liked the book, and she is now the awardee and the winner. So, ma'am, first of all, we just wanted to know something about your background. After that, we will dive into more concept of the book. And once again, congratulations, and please explain something about yourself. Then we will discuss more.
First of all, thank you. My name is Shamaita Mukherjee and I am from West Bengal. My background is like I am an applied electronics and instrumentation engineer. I have done my engineering from Heritage Institute of Technology in applied electronics and instrumentation department, and now I work as an instrumentation engineer in a chemical company. And about the book, it's my emotions and my story of my family background, actually my mother and father college life. And yeah, so that's the starting of my book.
Okay. So this is the book I have. If someone wants to buy the book, so this is the beautiful cover, C design, and so first of all, we just wanted to know behind the concept of the title. My first question to all the authors is only that why you choose this title should be the title of your book. What is special on that, and what is the design, what is the thinking behind the designing of the cover? So explain something about this.
About the title, like we all know that every day is not same for everyone, and the starting of my book is the story starts where a morning totally changes the life, the destiny of seven friends. More importantly, my two characters, Shampa and Sankar. And about the background, it's like morning always starts with a simple thing, and we don't think a lot about, okay, the day is starting, we will do that, we will do this, but somewhere always there is a page that it happens in our life, we don't imagine also. So I kept the background simple, the cover page, and the title about the morning, which actually changed the life of seven friends. That's my concept for the title and the cover page.
Okay, so let's dive into the more concept of the book. कि जैसे while I'm opening the pages, first of all, I can able to see the chapter, and after that, you put a dedications to all your friends, brothers, mother, and everything, parents. Now, the most important thing is like the content table. The content table you have written, and on that
Yes.
I can able to see a 17 chapter is there. Okay, so we wanted to know something about the titles of the chapters you have written, because it is feel very interesting, like Team Alpha. That is one of the interesting chapter I can able to see just from the content table. Then Miles Between Us, and Beyond Equations. So this I just wanted to know something about this, and tell me what is the background of that.
The background is like the first chapter, which is Freshers Chaos. All things started because of that Freshers Day, as I mentioned in the book. And that simple morning, which I actually mentioned beforehand, and the chapters when it continues, it began with a normal argument to team making because of the college thing, and then comes about the friends union and the friends, how they are plotting, how like the distance we feel when we like our college ends and we like feel the apart when we go to different sectors for our jobs, for higher studies, and therefore we even can't connect without the occasions like more importantly in our West Bengal it's Durga Puja and Kali Puja, or else it's like totally we always call or some like texts, or even in months we can't connect also. So it's the titles come like that, like from freshers chaos, and how the college like starting, and my chapters includes the like the struggles the freshers when the freshers join the, we can say like the normal politics, like the favoritism and those things, and then the chaos of our life struggles, careers, and the government exams, the attempts which we always felt success. It's the like my book all contains the college life, the romantic life, the friend life, and the marriage life, like a whole total journey from college to a marriage.
Okay, so this is the whole
Yeah.
journey, and
Yeah.
yeah. So now, I just wanted to know, like, this is actually a very huge book. The size of the book is very
Yeah.
big, and the pages are also almost 250 to 760 pages is there. Okay, so
Yes. Yes.
what the things you covered about your family, or is it your story as well, or it is just particularly to the story to your parents?
It's particularly the story of my parents, my parents' friends actually, totally the thing, and it's the prologue as it is started. The actually my mother died then 2025 on 2025, and I was like got to know about many stories from their friends, from my father, from mother as well, like beforehand. Then that's why I started writing the book about my parents, about their friends. So from there I got some ideas, clues, like how a college life goes on, and how they have faced so many things about their career life, their decisions, their and the society problems, everything, because age does matter in our society for marriage, mainly for girls and also boys, like the career pressure for boys and the marriage pressure for girls. Actually this can actually I will say that.
Yeah, that is actually
So I have, yeah.
Yeah, that is actually very inspiring, and the way you write a book to tribute to your mother, and uh, you like you compiled your whole journey, whole experience, and whole feeling in this book, and that is why we selected the winner of Ananta Press Sahitya Ratna Award, and we feel that what you are feeling while writing this book or publishing this book, so that is why you selected for this Ananta Press Sahitya Ratna Award. And the jury members praise that your content that you have written with the feeling you have written. And while someone reading the book, they can also able to feel your emotions, and they can also relate to their the readers. They can also relate themselves as. So that is the whole thing about your book. Now I just wanted to know, like, if you are, is there are any new books you are writing as of now? If some readers wanted to, like, get a more books from you, so is there are any chances that in future you will be going to publish a new books as well?
Yeah, it can happen as like my emotions, my yeah, I am writing actually, but when I will publish, that's actually totally uh,
Yeah, depends.
surprising. Yeah.
Yeah, it is also for surprise for you and for the readers as well, I think. Uh,
Yeah. Yeah.
So now, ma'am, let's dive into the little parts of your book. Okay. So,
Yes.
as in first-time author, it is very difficult to publish any books. Writing is one of hardest part. But after that, there is a one second part is that publishing a book. Okay. So how you can find your book publisher to publish your book, and what is your journey after writing?
After writing, I was very confused that whether I should publish or not. But then I thought that okay, it can get published because it's about the actually my book contains some situations where every students and every adults face. So I thought to publish, and I chose Notion Press for that. And I gave my writing, and actually my writing, my titles are, and the background also, it's about my thinking. And the Notion Press helped me a lot for publishing this book, and that's it. And like I'm actually feeling both like good and also surprised, like it's also nominated for your uh, jury by the jury, and also for the award, and also it got published. That's also very nice for me.
Yeah, this year feels a memorable journey as in writer, because you first publish a book, after that you are getting a good response, and now you are winner of Ananta Press Sahitya Ratna Award. So hopefully you will be going to write more books as well. Ma'am, now just wanted to know something about your life as well. Like every author's the author's book is the reflection of the author itself.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
तो अगर कोई भी बुक लिख रहा है, कोई भी ऑथर है, दे आर राइटिंग फॉर themselves. Okay, कि वो खुद के लिए लिखते
Yes.
हैं, and that is the reflection of the author. So what you are thinking while you are writing a book, कि क्या आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था, and how you portray your emotions in the format of the writing.
First of all, actually, this book, as I mentioned, this book is of my parents, a tribute to my parents. You can say that, and my parents' friends also, as I also mentioned that it's a journey of friends, total 7 friends. And yeah, definitely, my life is also attached to this book, because many things I also experienced myself as when I was college student, and now I also myself an adult, I'm doing and I'm working professional. So I can actually get things like, okay, my mom and my dad actually faced this, and my mom dad's friends also faced like this, and the competitions, the pressure, everything is like totally balancing from my life also. So yeah, the emotions also get attached to myself also, though that's why I can also imagine those scenes when I am like reading the book as a reader, not as an author. So yeah, actually it's reflect my life also. In fact, not only my life, it actually reflects many of the students, many adult life also.
Yeah.
Actually, what they face in their life.
Mm-hmm. So now, quick questions about yourself. If you wanted to suggest us some books, अगर ये बुक नहीं, ये दिस बुक इज योर, आपकी कौन सी फेवरेट बुक है जो अभी आप पढ़ रहे हैं, या फिर आप लोगों को रिकमेंड करना चाहते हैं?
There are few books I want to recommend actually. The books which are written by I will say the name. Maybe my pronunciation is not so good for that author, but yes, I will tell the name of the author, because those books I generally feel is very nice. The one author like is Durjay Datta. Okay, and it's because those books are totally related to our modern life, like nowadays those students what they feel and their romantic life. Like in this genre, I will say that yeah, Durjay Datta is very nice, and Ravindra Singh also. And another one I will say, actually it's about some South Indian author. Okay, actually the name, maybe the pronunciation is also not good. I will see.
So You like you always reading this fiction books as only, or you also like the self-help category as well?
Yeah. Also like self, like for example, I like those um, the biographies one,
Yeah, I'm also,
and
hmm,
books. Yeah,
I'm all,
and yeah, one of my favorite genre is also mystery and thrilling, like Agatha Christie books. I love those books actually.
that's
Yeah.
okay. So any mythology like as in this generation, like in 2026, mythology is also a very prominent category where most of the readers are like to read.
Yeah,
So
yeah. Those actually, I'm not so much fond of those mythologies. I actually love to read books. The most of my genres are like maybe romance
mhm.
and self-help, definitely self-help, and also this thrillings like Agatha Christie. I love Agatha Christie books actually, and my from my childhood, I actually got to read about Harry Potter's, and I love those
Harry Potter.
books. Yeah, Harry Potter.
Yeah,
Charlie Chaplin, Harry Potter, and I love more about the books than the cinemas actually, and I love those books.
even you studies hard and at the such young age you become an engineer. So that is also a very inspiring journey, your journey as well. So as of now you are working. I think you are a student,
No, I'm working.
or you are working. Okay.
Yeah,
Uh,
I'm working.
हम्म सो दैट इज एक्चुअली अ वेरी इंस्पायरिंग जर्नी कि आपने जो कहा कि यू लाइक हैरी पॉटर एंड फिक्शन स्टोरीज as compared to your syllabus content, but you again
Yeah.
you prove yourself that you achieved at that stage and you become an engineer at such a young age. That is absolutely great. So ma'am, from this book, we are sharing our final feedbacks from our 6 jury members, that the first thing we like the most about your book is the concept of writing. Okay, you use a very simple words, and also about your personal feelings, that about your mother parents, you have shared the journey in such a very grateful way. You have shared this, and that is why we selected you is as the winner of Ananta Plus Sahitya Ratna Award. And apart from that, what the readers now getting from your book is, like all the readers who watching this podcast, if they are buying the book, they will understand how this book is important for everyone, कि अगर आपकी लाइफ में कुछ चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, दैट इज इफेक्ट कर रहे हैं आपकी लाइफ को, सो हाउ यू कैन कंट्रोल देम एंड हाउ यू कैन ओवरकम एंड रेडी टू मूव फॉरवर्ड इन द फर्दर लाइफ. सो दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट जो मैम की जर्नी है. दैट इज वाई सी रिटर्न अ बुक, क्योंकि उन्हें शेयर करना था अपनी जर्नी को, और वो आपको रीडर्स को इंस्पायर कर रहे हैं कि हाउ यू कैन डू. So that is why now my final question for you is like, अगर आप अपने रीडर्स को बताना चाहते हैं कि why your book is important, so in a few lines explain something about your book, some pointers about your book, कि ये book क्यों important है किसी भी रीडर के लिए.
First of all, I am saying not as an author. For like as a reader, I will say uh, to read this book, to know about the personal feelings, emotions, and they can also like know their journey. Like when someone who is actually going to a college, for them it's a good book. For those who already passed the college life and are and are facing the career pressures and the also societal pressures, I will say, so for them also this book is very nice because I think time is all matters. Time, destiny, everything. And yeah, always failure is not the thing that, okay, I am not getting in this attempt. That doesn't mean that in the next attempt also I will not get. So yeah, I will say that to read this book, it will be very beneficial for the students who are actually admitting to college, who already passed out college and are facing career pressures, societal pressures, and also love this romantic genres and friendship part. For them, this book is very nice.
Yeah, that's a great explanation actually about your book. Now, ma'am, anything else you wanted to share to the readers who watching this podcast? Any message you wanted to share to with the readers?
Uh, Thank you, first of all, for giving this opportunity. And yeah, actually, I want to share for to every readers, to every persons, that to express their feelings, to like not only read the book like that, but to read the book with their own feelings. Like they should know, like, okay, though their life is also can be matched with this book. So yeah, and thank you for the every readers who will read this book and who are reading this book, and thank you for this opportunity also.
Yeah, that is absolutely correct. And I wanted to share on behalf of the author. Author is Little Sai to explain all the things, but she has written everything in the book, and you wanted to know something about her emotions and how she conquered in the life. So you that is why you need to buy this book. This is the basically the cover of the book, and this book is also available on Amazon and Flipkart. So if someone wanted to buy the book, you can search the name of the author. ये मैं आपको name भी cover पर दिखा देता हूँ. Then also you can search the name of the book when we meet at that morning. We will drop in the description as well. And also, after reading the book, if you have some questions in your mind, you can directly connect with the author through Gmail or Instagram as well. If author is ready to share her Instagram ID, we will definitely drop in the description. So from there, if you have some queries, some feedbacks to with the author, you can definitely share to her. And now this is the final, ma'am. We are ending this podcast with this beautiful book that you have written. And in future, we hopefully like you are writing a new book as well, because you write about your parents. Now it is time to write about yourself as well, because as of now your journey is also very inspiring. You can take your time and give us a very perfect book, because you have already delivered a perfect book to us, so our expectations is high from you. So you can take time, but we are waiting for your next book.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
definitely, I will try my best. Thank you.
Definitely, and we will connect with you always. If you have any queries about your book, about the journey, and about any regarding the marketing, we will with you. And thank you for the podcast. We'll definitely connect in the future as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.